Okay, so are we going to do that? How are we going to do this? Are we going to do the you grab something, I read it from the book again?
Right, we start with the crisps.
Okay. Tohatu, Tohato, caramel corn puffs. So they are caramel. These caramel corn puffs comes in a pack of 4, so they're perfect for sharing with friends. Once you get a taste of the sweet caramel, you'll be hooked.
I'm not going to share them. I'm going to get hooked. I'll have 3, you have 1.
What are you going to do if you get hooked on them? You're just going to have to like order them from Japan, just like constantly, just like big boxes of them.
Yes.
Okay. Sakura Japanese Sake Kit Kats. This month's premium subscribers will be receiving the limited edition Sakura Japanese Sake Kit Kats. This new Kit Kat flavour tastes like spring in Japan, with a blend of fragrant cherry blossom and rich Japanese sake. You will feel like you're at a Hanami picnic while eating these.
We can move on to the matcha things then.
Okay. Ginbis Matcha Chocolate Corn Puffs.
Ooh.
This month, look out for these limited edition matcha chocolate corn puffs. Rich matcha meets creamy chocolate in this yummy star-shaped corn puff snack. Watch out, these puffs are highly addictive.
Right, let's go for these funny little mixture thing.
Strawberry soft cream DIY snack. You can create your own soft cream cone with this DIY snack kit. It tastes like strawberry soft serve.
Right,
It's really strawberry, isn't it?
yeah, right. Dog.
Chobo Chobo cookies. These little cookies are baked to perfection with a traditional recipe that melts in your mouth. Cherry mochi. These little, God, they're not lying, cherry flavoured mochi squares are packed with fruity goodness. The fruity flavour and soft chewy texture makes these a delicious little snack.
Okay. And we will have. Oh yeah, we will know. That's that one. Let's do these.
Okay. Strawberry mochi. This. Do you say these or do you say this? This chewy mochi has a sweet strawberry filling. These are a great snack when you're craving something fruity and sweet.
I am. Oh, we've done these. But
You're craving something fruity and sweet. Sugar Rusk Umai Bar. This crispy corn snack is full of sugary, crunchy goodness. It will satisfy your crispy, crunchy cravings.
Oh,
I still can't get my head round the idea of a giant what's it.
Even though you've had one.
I know, but it still feels weird. Hello Kitty Strawberry Lollipop. Hello Kitty has a special treat for you. This yummy strawberry lollipop. Enjoy the delicious fruity flavour.
Yeah, it's about the size as that Pan-Man lolly from last time.
It's like
just a little, quite thick little lolly.
It's like she's got a little balloon on the packet. It's cute.
The fox.
Yeah.
The foxy.
Dotaro Crispy Flakes. These crispy flakes have a delicious curry flavour. They make a perfect topping for udon or your favourite Japanese noodle dish. So they're for the topping. That makes sense.
For the topping,
that makes sense. So I have to try that out. Like get some instant ramen and put some on.
And finally, this little mystery.
Not finally.
Oh, why is it doing all? What's that? Why is it all the way over there? Okay.
Ginza Rusk Pink Strawberry Biscuits. These biscuits are loaded with rich chocolate and sweet strawberry flavour. Once you eat one, you won't be able to stop. But they're probably really small, so I mean that's probably true of any little snack. What do you reckon?
Yeah, they probably are small. Oh, blimey. Okay.
Fanta Yogurt Banana Mix. This delicious carbonated drink is made of healthy ingredients and vitamins.
Is it now?
The mixture of banana and yogurt flavours make this the ultimate fruity drink.
Yep, look forward to trying that one.
Yeah.
Okay, now what? Nothing else is there?
Nothing else.
Right, here we go.
This does not tell you any more.
Right, okay.
New Mochi Taro Puffs. These crunchy little puffs are a light and easy to eat snack. They make a great afternoon snack when you're needing an extra boost. That tells you literally nothing.
Well, okay.
I mean, taro is something that you have. I think it's. I'm not sure what it is, taro, but it's used to make some things like bubble tea. I think sometimes, and other snacks and stuff. I think it might be a plant.
That's a plant.
There might be a plant. Taro is a plant. I clearly need to Google this. So that's also probably what I'm going to be doing.
What?
Okay, so what are you going to pick for me to
have? These.
Oh, I was wondering about trying that.
The mystery thingies.
We know nothing about what this is going to take. We don't know if it's sweet. We don't know if it's savoury. If I just open it so we keep the nice packet.
In the middle of that, haven't you?
I really have. Right. Doesn't really smell of anything.
No, it's you trying, isn't it?
They look a bit like croutons. They taste like croutons. I mean, they're nice.
They're noisy, aren't they?
They're noisy.
That's new in the cinema with them.
And try them.
Yeah.
They do just taste like croutons. I'll quite happily eat them, but quite plain.
Bit plain, aren't they? They're a bit plain.
Right, I'm going to pick something that I think you will probably love and probably we shouldn't get started on. And that's this matcha.
Oh.
That's going to be nice.
These aren't going to
I'm being
last long,
nice.
are they?
I'm being nice.
They're not going to last. Well, it's 10 to 3. This is if they last within the hour.
Such a pretty
Should have
bag.
filmed all these before we crack them open.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Just want to crack it
Oh,
open.
yum, 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 yum.
Look at that goodness. Am I going to be able to have any of those? Am I going to be able to get a look in?
They're lovely. I can.
Oh, they smell really, really strongly matchery.
Oh, totally my thing. These.
Right, well, thank you for watching, and we'll see you later.
Oh, and we're off to Hong Kong next week to do some filming, so hopefully get some
more videos.
Some videos up and uploaded in the next couple of weeks. And we'll be making some Hong Kong, Japan kind of comparisons with food and toys and all our stuff we love. So, right.
Bye.